Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda, hear me roar. What's up, people? What's up, party people? Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. I'm having a wonderful day. I hope you're having a wonderful day as well. Today, I've got a new palette from Too Faced, and it's supposed to be really good. It's the Italian Spritz. And it's got a vague citrus scent. It's not as strong a smell as I was hoping for, and it's a beautiful, beautiful palette. Lots of neutrals, some pops of color. We're going to do a look from it here today. And check it out. Check it out. If you remember from my other videos, I was missing a tooth. Now I've got a replacement. Yay! So toothless no more. But it's just a temporary stopgap till we get a partial made, permanent partial. So enjoy my new lisp. What's better, the lisp without the tooth or the lisp with the tooth? That's the truth. It's hard to know. And I got cats in here, so if you hear weird noises, it's probably them because they're weird and they make noises. So let's start with Como After Dark. That is very pigmented. Ooh, I'm going to go in sort of light with it. I don't want to go ham and have it too dark. But it's a beautiful crease color. Beautiful. And I am loving it. It's going on like butter and blending out just as easily as butter spreads when it's warm. Not that cold butter, because that's a joke. Trying to spread cold butter on toast, you're just going to rip your toast up. So next I'm going to go into Ciao Bellini, which is a shimmery peachy shade. I'm going to try my finger. It wasn't happening with that brush. Finger is much better. And that's very complementary color to the Como After Dark. A nice peach shimmer, almost a light copper. It's very pretty. And it's got a neat texture to it. Neat texture. We're loving it. And I have hooded eyes. So every time I do my eyes, it's a hooded eye tutorial. So go put that in your pipe and smoke it. You don't really have to smoke. I wouldn't force that on anyone, but you might like to. I don't know. What do you like? What do you think? Thinking is hard. I'm having a good day. Let's go into the Great On, this dark color, this brown. And that is really pretty. Just blending it out, giving some depth to the eye there. That's nice. The mattes are really where it's at. I'm really digging the mattes. They're blending out very nicely. It's hard to get my eyes even. Back in. I'm blending. All right. They don't have a light shimmer except for this blue. And that disappoints me because I love a light shimmer. So I'm going to go into Gelato right here with a fluffy brush, and it's a matte. I'm just going to go over the top of my eyeshadow and just blend that out. And just clean it up a little bit. That's looking good. It's looking good. Now, I need to have something like pop. There's a really pretty gold called Grappa Don't Preach. Let me get that with my finger. Ooh, let's try that. That's really pretty. Let's do it on the other side. That's super cute. I think that's all I'm going to do for the eyeshadow look. I'm going to do some black liner with some Stila. And this is a dual-ended eyeliner. One's fat, one's skinny. And this is very skinny. Look how skinny that is. Because I just want a real fine line. I don't want anything too dominant. And that looks super cute. I'm just doing the same on the left eye. I miss Left Eye. She was awesome. I saw that TLC is going to be going on tour with En Vogue this summer. Would I go see it? Sure. I love some TLC and never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it. No, never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Very good stuff. This is the Sky High mascara from Maybelline. And it's pretty daggone good. It gives a lot of length. If I can get it out of my hair. It's got an interesting brush. It's really small. It is working like a charm. I love charms. Ooh, Lucky Charms. St. Patrick's Day. I'm wearing green. What day do you see this? It's probably after St. Patrick's Day, but that's all right. Now I'm going to do a pretty lip with number 65 Seductress from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. Very cute. Very cute. I'm happy with my look. I'm happy with this palette. It's a nice neutral. It pops of color. And I went with the Pop of Gold today. Papa Don't Preach. This is the Italian Spritz palette on my eyes. Have a great day of your choice. We'll see you real soon.